So guys, I found this channel, one Bible verse, and the story of this channel is quite remarkable. Their first video was posted just 2 months ago and the video has gathered over 2 million views and the channel has just 11 videos. If we estimate their RPM at about $5, then this channel might have generated over $10,000 in just 2 months of starting out. And this will continue to grow as the channel continues to make more content. Astonished by the growth of this channel, I decided to copy it, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. But before I do, how about you show me some support by subscribing to this channel and clicking the like button. Let's begin. Now if you take a look at this channel, you will find that they use the Bible to provide solutions to specific human problems like lust, anxiety, fear and the likes. So which means that these topics are doing pretty great and are going viral. So we are going to head to ChatGPT or Deepseek, anyone you prefer. I'm going to be using Deepseek and my prompt is going to read, analyze the following video titles and generate 10 video ideas for my Bible YouTube channel. And just below it, we are going to copy out 3 or 5 of the channel's popular video titles, and just like that, we already have 10 new title ideas for our new channel. The next thing we are going to need to do is generate a perfect script for any of the video titles. Writing a winning script gives us a great chance of going viral. The better our script, the better the chance of being successful with this channel, and we already have a proven script. So what we are just going to do is follow the path of the proven winning script. So we are going to go back to the main channel and we are going to sort the videos by popular, and I'm going to copy the link of 2 or 3 of their most successful videos, and I'm going to head over to this website, youtube-to-transcript.com. I'm going to paste in the YouTube link and it is going to instantly give me the transcript. Now what I'm going to do next is copy this transcript into a notepad, go ahead and upload it on Deepseek, and I'm going to say analyze this video script and write a unique one using the same tone, style and structure for the topic. Now right here I am going to paste in any of the video titles I generated earlier, and just like that it is going to give me a video script similar to that of the original channel. But I'm not done yet. The next line of action is to tell Deepseek to format the script into a voiceover ready script. So now that we have our voiceover ready, let's jump over to Elevenlabs. We are going to head over to the library section and we are going to look for a story or a narrative voice. We will filter by English and we are going to pick a male voice. We are going to listen to all the voices that it gives us and then we will have to settle for one. I have picked the voice that I like and I'm going to go to the text to speech page and I'm going to convert my script to speech paragraph by paragraph. It is always best to generate your speech paragraph by paragraph so you can easily correct mistakes with tones, punctuations or pronunciations without burning off your entire credit. Once my speech is generated and I'm okay with it, I'm going to be downloading and saving it accordingly. Up next, we need to generate our visuals. This is a very key step, so make sure that you pay attention. I'm going to go back to Deepseek and I'm going to use this prompt that tells Deepseek to split the script into scenes and give me image prompts to generate the images for each scene. And it generated me image prompts for about 32 scenes. So next, I am going to be heading over to Google's imageFX as it is free, unlimited and produces amazingly high quality images. For the settings, we are going to keep the model at best quality and the aspect ratio, we are going to have to change it to square. That is all the changes we need to make, and we will paste in our prompt to generate our images. We can then select the image we like the most, go ahead and download it. We will do this for all the other prompts that Deepseek provided. Now we are set to put all the pieces of our video together. Let's jump over to Canva. On the Canva homepage, we will select video and then video landscape. So first we need to add in our voiceovers. Now Canva always automatically matches an audio sound to the length of a clip. So you can see here by default that our clip is 5 seconds. Hence our audio is also 5 seconds. But our voiceover should be around 38 seconds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to extend the length of this clip so that it outstretches the audio. This is where our audio ends, so I'm going to put the cursor right here, and then I'm going to split the clip by typing S, or I could just right click and select split page. Now we can go ahead and add the other audio clips just as we have done. Next, we will need to click on the canvas and go to Element and search for paper background. I found this particular one and I'm going to go with it. I'm going to right click on it and select Set Image as background. Next, I will add in our text. I did try using different apps on Canva to add the auto subtitles, but editing the subtitles didn't come off good. So the best way to do it is to add the text manually. So I'm going to go to the text tool. I'm going to select heading or subheading. I'm going to change the font and I'm going to use this font, Finger Paint. Now once that is done, I'm going to listen to the audio and split the scene at every pause. Next, I'm going to replace all the default text with the right caption. Now it is time to add the images. So I have also uploaded all the images I generated and I'm going to drag and drop them according to the script. For this image, I'm going to use the background eraser tool and remove the background. I will also add some animations as it enters into the scene. I will do the same also for the text. I can add the typewriter animation, or I could just add the rice animation. Once I'm done, I can add in the sound effects. I can find sound effects on Pixabay, or I can just go over to the element, select audio, and search for whatever sound effect that I want. Next is a suitable background music. I can also select from Canva, or I can just go to Pixabay and find a copyright-free background music. Once I'm satisfied with my editing, I'm going to click on Share and then Download. Make sure the file is MP4. Leave the quality at 1080p HD. Make sure all the pages are selected and then go ahead and download. So that will be all for today's video, guys. If you did get any value from this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Till I come your way again, to learn about me is my name. Here's the final video edit. Stay blessed. God loves you.
Have you ever prayed for a breakthrough, only to feel like heaven is silent? You're not alone. So many believers wrestle with frustration when God says, wait. But here's the truth. Delays aren't denials. In fact, they're often divine setups. If you're in a season of waiting, don't lose hope. What if I told you God's timing isn't just perfect? It's purposeful. Today, we'll uncover 5 reasons God delays your breakthrough and why this season might be the greatest gift He's giving you.